Hello everyone, I would like to welcome you to another part of the vlog, and this time we will take a look at a very big milestone, my third printer, and it will not be just a normal printer but the special 10th anniversary limited edition of the MK3s. And also, as a sort of a second part of the vlog, we will take a look at enclosure I made. So I will show you how it looks, all its functions and stuff like that. So let's take a look. And here it is. And here it is all packed out. So as you can see, my number is 32. And you can see everything that comes with it. So the accessories, certificate, I plan to actually hang it on the wall. Secondary printing bed with the 10 years anniversary on it, and standard stuff, manual, and of course Haribo bears. So I will now install it. And as you can see, the printer is ready. So I have to first load the program, and then it will start with the printing and will join its sisters. And so it already started to print. And as you can see here, this is the enclosure I made. It's not really enclosure because it's not, enclosed, but it's more like a box. Main reason was, to have a place for another printer. And when I did it, I decided to make some use of it. So I designed various brackets and modular holders. So all I need now is here. I still planned some more updates and some upgrades, but for now I think it's okay. So now I will go load a program, and my newest Prusa will start to work. And this was it. So this is my new printer and my new enclosure. For the future, you can certainly expect more updates regarding the enclosure, because as a matter of fact, it was already further upgraded. And as a matter of fact, I was kind of thinking about making another enclosure and buy Prusa Mini, so that I would have basically 4 printers. But unfortunately, my laptop is kinda started to die. It's starting to be really faulty anyway. So unfortunately, I would have to invest in that as opposed to the new printer. So that may delay another one. But yeah, that's my problem. Anyway, I really hope you liked it. I certainly did. So I wish you have a very nice day, and bye bye.